So this is a method of cleaning up text, and it's quite often the case for me that I would get a bunch of text, something like this, if I take it out of a PDF file and then put it into a Word document. So I'm going to show what happens with this in Word. So I'm gonna just I'm just going to copy text from chapter 1 of Alice in Wonderland and paste it into Word, and that's how it appears. Now when you put on the paragraph marks, the problem is that it's easy with the eye to see where the paragraphs are, because you have these 2 paragraph marks here in quick succession and some white space. Now what some people tend to do is to manually go and click each one of these, or as I had previously done, do the Ctrl H, find a paragraph mark, put in a second paragraph mark, and then replace with 1 paragraph mark, and that's possible as well. But look what happens next when I do all that. I now end up with having to go and remove each one of these extra paragraphs manually, and if you do it by an automated process, you still have to go through each one. So I needed a solution to avoid doing all that, and I came up with Notepad strategy for this. So I'll just undo all those changes there, take all that text, throw it into Notepad, and then use some fancy code to work this more properly. Now we don't need to understand any of this. This is just about doing, not understanding. Whether you understand or not, nothing changes. In Notepad, I've pressed Ctrl H, and regular expression is the box to tick. You could leave that. If that's tick, that's all right. And then we're going to put some code in there to pick up all the crazy line breaks and paragraph marks. And this is the crazy code that we're putting in. And that's the code there. And I don't know how the code works, and I don't care as long as it works. So I'm doing a few of these manually, and then I'm going to replace all. It's done a good job because it's taken out all the paragraph marks, which is represented by CRLF at the end of each line, which was the problem over here, taken from that. So it's taken out all the excess single paragraph marks but left the double ones in. So the job is not done as yet, because we now need to just leave 1 paragraph mark here. I'm not sure how that is done. So here we have the fancy code stuck in, and let's see what happens. Yes, it's working. So I'll just replace all of them, close that down, copy all from here, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl A and V. Well, let's just Ctrl V. And so now it looks like what it should look like. I can easily remove that one there. Now, that works very fine for me when I have a lot of text. The main thing with this code here is that this is saying to remove the end where there's two of these in place in succession. So if you had 3 in succession, you just put in another RN, for example, and that's how you go. So I finally cracked it and I've shared it with everyone. Thank you.